So boom, what is going on, guys? Welcome back and thank you for coming back again. So in today's video I'm just going to be changing the S2000 Vtec Solenoid gasket. So it's a really common issue for the S2K where the gaskets start like getting flat and the oil just start leaking with the Vtec Solenoid unit. So I'm going to actually be changing that with some new gaskets that just arrived yesterday. So here it is, guys. In this box I've actually got a few items in it. So first thing mainly being the gasket, which is the Vtec Solenoid gasket. I ordered the bottom gasket from Mayama, correct me if I'm wrong, and yeah, ordered some other parts too. So first things first, we got the Vtec Solenoid gasket, which I'm about to change today. So basically this is the bottom gasket and I had to order the top gasket from somewhere else because I'm not too sure if Honda just didn't make them or if Honda doesn't stock them anymore. So like I said, I had to order the bottom gasket from Mayama and then the top gasket I had to order from somewhere else. So when I ordered the parts, I thought I might as well order some more parts. So I actually ordered some S2K shifter rebuild kit and here it is. So basically these are OEM and genuine parts and nothing new, it's just the same parts as what I actually have now. But these are, yeah, brand new. So basically what's going to happen is I'm going to replace everything onto my S2K. So take the old one out and put the new one in, take the old one out, put the new one in, and for that one as well. So basically nothing special, it's just same parts but brand new. So like I said before, guys, for the Vtec Solenoid gaskets, I couldn't find the top one and I had to order it from a different site. So here's the top one right here. And I actually ordered it from the S2K website. So there it is. Bottom is the genuine OEM Honda gasket and the top one is the aftermarket one. So that's enough of me talking. Let's head out and start changing the gaskets. So I'm not too sure how well you guys can see it, but right there is a Vtec Solenoid unit right there, and as you can tell there is quite a lot of oil everywhere. So that is what I'm actually going to be changing today. Well, changing the gaskets and hopefully it stops leaking. Not too sure if you can see at the bottom, there's a fair bit of oil like on my tray right there, right about there. So I'm not too sure if that's actually from the Vtec Solenoid or if it's something else leaking, such as the oil filter or my hose isn't plugged in properly. All that right there, so much oil, all from this solenoid unit. So yeah, there's the top gasket right here and the bottom gasket, it's somewhere in there. So basically it's all 10mm bolts and you undo it and then you replace it. So yep, guys, just took out the bottom unit and look at that, oil splattered everywhere. As you can see right there, there's a gasket and then there's oil like right there and it's splattered all over my oil filter, oil everywhere right there. Even on the switches, it spilled everywhere. So here it is, guys, the actual Vtec Solenoid unit, and look at that, look at all that oil stains like right there. And the gasket's feeling hella flat, so that's probably not doing shit. It's feeling hella flat, and yeah, here's a top gasket right there. Look at that, hella oil everywhere. So what I'm actually gonna do now is wipe down these oil stains, wipe down the excess oil in the engine bay, and then put the new gaskets in and put the unit back together. So as you see here, guys, everything is now cleaned up. Look at that, I cleaned up most of it. And now it's time to put on the new gaskets and then chuck the unit back onto the car. So look at that, guys, it's finally finished and look at that, hella clean now. I also clean the bottom as well, so then I can monitor the leaks and see if it's still leaking or not. So it's a pretty easy fix. So all you gotta do is just take out the unit, which is like 3 10mm bolts up here and 3 over here. So 1, 2 and 3, and then you replace the gaskets and then you just chuck everything back on. So there it is, guys, hopefully it doesn't leak anymore, and yay. So that's actually going to do it for the Vtec Solenoid unit. So basically all we're going to do is come back next time, drive the car a bit and monitor the leak and see if there's any more leaks. So next time I'm planning to actually do the shifter rebuild kit. So basically it's just replacing newer parts with older parts. So same parts, just newer. So what I'm actually going to be doing now is giving the car a quick wash so I can prepare it for the weekend, because I've got some exciting news for the weekend, but I don't want to tell you guys yet, so you have to keep updated and make sure you're subscribed so you can find out. So I'll quickly explain more and give you guys more hints after I quickly give the car a wash. So there it is guys, the car is all washed and all clean. Look at that, perfect timing too with the sun above it. Look at that, it's looking hella shiny. Damn, haven't cleaned my car in ages and look at that, it's hella shiny. Like I said, I'm washing it to prepare it for the weekend, which I'll explain real soon. But damn. So there it is guys, that's basically the end of the video, and thank you again if you actually stayed till the end. So I know it wasn't much in this video, it was just me quickly changing the Vtec Solenoid gasket, which is, you know, a really common issue with S2Ks leaking from that area. Also I thought, you know, I might as well pick up the camera, make a quick video, and yeah. Also towards the end you would have heard I said that I'm preparing my car for the weekend. So basically right now I actually don't have my car with me because my car's actually at a workshop. So I don't want to give up what I'm actually doing to the car. So if you want to find out, make sure to come back, and if you haven't subscribed, then make sure to subscribe so then you can find out what I'm going to do to the car. So basically I'm getting something changed on my car. It's actually at a workshop right now, so I should be getting the car back by next weekend, and all I know is it's gonna make the car 100 times way better. So I don't want to give up too much. I just want to like come up here, you know, tease you guys a bit and hint to you guys a bit. So if you actually followed me on Instagram a few days ago, I actually posted it, you know, I did that poll thing like yes, no, and if you actually follow me on Instagram and you saw that post, then you'll most likely know what I'm talking about right now, because there was two options and I got one of them. So yeah, I'm really excited and I just can't wait to get the car back. But like I said, I thought I might as well pick up the camera, make a quick video, and then come on here and like, you know, teach you guys a bit about the new part. So yeah, once again, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, then make sure to do so, because I'm gonna start uploading more and probably like storing more stuff. So, you know, maybe when I'm working on the car, I'll story that first. So if you have me on Instagram, you'll actually see it before the video gets released. And yeah, and I also want to say thank you to those who have already subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button. We're almost at 100 subscribers, and that's actually quite a lot for me. So it might not seem a lot to you guys, but for me 100 is quite a big milestone. So like what, 100 is like more than 3 full classes together. Yeah, just a big thank you again, and we're almost at 100. So if you haven't subscribed, help your boy out and click the subscribe button. So yeah, that's actually gonna do it for tonight's video. If you think you know what I'm doing to the car, make sure to comment down below of what you think it is. Also, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're excited about what I'm doing to my car, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and make sure to return so you guys can see what I'm gonna do to the car. And once again, I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to help your boy out once again and hit the subscribe button. And also a big thank you to those who are already subscribed and, you know, returning and liking my videos and just watching them. So I'm excited about the part and hopefully it turns out well. But yeah, till next time, laters.